Dear students, welcome you all to the session 5 video of Cost and Management Accounting, 3rd semester BCom. In session 4, we have seen the difference between financial accounting and cost accounting. In this session, we will see the meaning of certain terms which are being used in cost accounting. The first one is cost unit. Cost unit is nothing but the unit of measurement. It's a form of measurement of volume of production or service. This unit is generally adopted on the basis of the convenience as well as practice in the industry concerned. Now, for example, in a sugar factory, the cost per ton of sugar is measured. In a textile mill, the cost per meter of cloth may be ascertained. So here, the cost unit of a textile mill is meter. The cost unit of a sugar factory is ton or kilogram. So the cost unit is a unit of product or service or time or a combination of these in relation to which cost may be ascertained and expressed. Now in case of sugar, it is measured in ton or kilograms. So it's a product. Now in case of hospital, the cost is measured per bed per day. So we have two aspects here. One is service, the other one is time. That is a combination of two aspects, service and time. So cost unit is the unit of a product or a service or a time or a combination of these in relation to which cost may be ascertained and expressed. Now let us see the cost unit of certain products or certain industries. For example, cement. How is it measured? Cement is measured per ton, per kilogram or per bag. Automobile, it is measured per number. Now transportation, how is it measured? It is measured per passenger kilometer. If it's only per passenger, the ticket rates would be the same. It's not the case. It is for each passenger as well as the distance travelled by the passenger. Now electricity, it is measured kilowatt hour. Now hospital, how is it measured? It is per bed, per number of days stayed in the hospital as well as per patient visit. Now in case of a textile, it is measured in terms of meter. In case of oil, how is it? It is measured per liter or per barrel. Now interior decoration, it is measured per job. So each job is different from the other. In case of printing press, it is measured per job. Now when it comes to furniture, it is not per job, it is number. So number of tables which you purchase or number of chairs which is being manufactured. So per number it is being measured. Now we'll see that cost units may be a simple cost unit or it may be a composite or compound unit. What is a simple cost unit? When there is only a single unit of measurement, it is known as a simple cost unit. So what is that? That is kilogram or per quintal or per liter. So oil is measured per liter. That is only one unit of measurement is being used. So we have composite or compound unit of measurement. It is a combination of two simple units. So for example, in case of transportation, per passenger per kilometer, that is passenger kilometer. In case of goods transport, it is per ton per kilometer, that is the weight of the goods as well as the kilometers or distance. Now hospital, per patient per day. So there are two types. One is simple cost unit, the other one is composite or compound cost unit. Now we'll see the next term which is being used, that is called cost center. For the purpose of ascertaining the cost, the organization is divided into small parts or small sections. Each section is treated as a cost center. So what is a cost center? Cost center is a location, a person or an item of equipment or a group of these for which cost may be ascertained and used for the purpose of cost control. Now, what is this location? So, location may be a department or area. There are different departments, cost of each department. or it may be a person, that is cost for a factory manager or a machine operator, or it may be an equipment, that is it may be a machine, or it may be a group of these, that is 2 or 3 machines operated by a worker. So cost center is a location, or it's a person, or it may be an item of equipment or a group of these for which the cost may be ascertained and used for the purpose of cost control. Now, cost center is a unit of cost accounting selected with a view to accumulating all cost under that particular unit. Now here what we do is we try to find out and accumulate all cost under that unit. Now we try to find out the cost of different products. Now imagine a firm is producing different products like product A, product B, product C, product D. We are trying to find out the cost incurred by product A, cost incurred by product B, similarly cost incurred by product C, cost incurred by product D. Now product A is a cost center, product B is a cost center, similarly product C and product D are cost centers. Now service. Now there are different departments which provide services to the production departments, like a transportation department, power department. So transportation department is a cost center, power department is a cost center. Now there are different divisions. Now for example, in case of a textile mill, there are different divisions like a spinning unit, weaving unit, finishing unit and all. Now spinning unit is a cost center, weaving unit is a cost center. Similarly, finishing unit is a cost center. There are different departments. Now, organization may have departments like department A, department B, department C. Each department is a cost center. Similarly, machinery. Now, machine 1, machine 2 or machine 3. Machine 1 is a cost center. Machine 2 is a cost center. What we are trying to do is, we are trying to find out the cost incurred by machine 1. We are trying to find out or accumulate the cost incurred by machine 2. For what purpose? For the purpose of controlling the cost. So what is a cost center? It is a unit of cost accounting which is selected with a view to accumulating all cost under that unit. So that unit may be a product, it may be a service, it may be a division, it may be a department, it may be a section, or it may be a group of plant and machinery, or a group of employees, or a combination of several units. Now the department products under different departments. So in an organization there may be a department. Department A is a cost center, department B is a cost center, department C is a cost center. In department A they may be producing different products, product X, product Y, product Z. So product X is a cost center, product Y is a cost center, product Z is a cost center. Now there are different types of cost centers. So we will see that. One is personal cost center. It consists of persons or a group of persons. Now as I said, factory manager or a sales manager, whatever cost incurred under the control of that particular person or a factory manager, it is accumulated and found out. And why it is found out? So that we will be able to compare and we will be able to control the cost. Impersonal cost center. It consists of a location or an item of equipment, like cost incurred for a department or a cost incurred for a machine. Then we have production cost center. These are the cost centers where the actual production takes place. As I have told earlier in the example of the textile mill, the spinning unit, the weaving unit and the finishing unit. So each unit is a cost center. Then we have the service cost centers. These are the cost centers which provide service to the production cost centers. For example, the transportation department, the power department, or the repair and maintenance department, or the canteen, or anything like that. So these departments provide service to the production departments, and we are trying to find out the cost incurred by transport department. So transport department is a cost center. Now what we have seen today is two topics, two aspects actually, that is cost unit and cost center. So what cost unit is nothing but the measurement of the production or service. So that is simple cost unit as well as a composite or a compound cost unit. And cost center is a it may be a location, it may be a person, or it may be an item of equipment, or it may be a group of these for which costs are ascertained and used for the purpose of cost control. Okay, thank you.